guys, my name's Caroline. Thank you for joining Cooking with Caroline. Today we're making bread. Here's all the ingredients we will need. 2 cups of warm water. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. 2.5 teaspoons of salt. 2.5 teaspoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. 5 to 6 cups of flour. And 1 large bowl. First, dishwash our hands. First, we mix the yeast in the bowl. Now we do the sugar. Now the warm water. Make sure you don't spill it. Now let it sit for 5 minutes and let it get foamy on top. While that's foamy, put the flour and salt in the bowl. Then we mix it. It's foaming! I put the flour into the bowl and start mixing.
How much is that?
2 cups.
Okay. Go ahead, start mashing it up.
Yeah, it's so sticky. Mix it until we see no more dry flour. Slowly add a 1/2 cup of flour and mix it. Holding on to silly things I never learned. Oh, why? All the possibilities I'm sure you've heard. It's not sticky anymore. Roll it into a ball and put olive oil on it.
Now make it into a ball. You roll it into a ball.
It's heavy. Need it into a ball.
Yep, flip it over. Perfect. Right, now flip it over. Flip it over. Flip it up. Other way. Other way. Flip it. There you go. Right there. Leave it. All right, now rub olive oil on it.
Is that right?
Okay, rub it all over.
When it's done, let it sit for 15 minutes. Now we're going to make a mess. Now we get to sprinkle the flour on the counter. Time's up. Cut the bread in half. Dad, help me.
Big ball.
Roll it around in it like.
Yeah.
I remember. Ooh, it's softer.
It is. Now, we're going to cut it in half because we're going to have 2 loaves of bread.
Yes, like yum. What about 3 loaves of bread?
Kids, we know not to play with knives. Have your mom and dad help you out.
I
Okay.
know better not to cut myself.
That's right. Now,
I only hold it like that and gently scrape it.
okay. So now once you have that done,
I roll it in.
we're going to roll them into rectangle shapes.
I don't know about this game all that wide on it.
Okay. Let's
I don't know how to do a
Here.
rectangle.
take your roller,
Ooh, roller.
start from the middle, and roll, push out.
Oh, just like I do with
And
Play-Doh.
then the other side, just like Play-Doh.
Roll the dough to make it look like a gooey worm. Pinch the side and tuck it underneath. Pinch, tuck it underneath. That's easy. Pinch, tuck. Ooh, this bread is looking good.
That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, that's what you get when you let your heart win.
Kids make your parents make 3 cuts on top with a knife.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to do 3 cuts. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay?
I wanted to do that.
Let's do this. Now, place it on your baking sheet and do the same thing with the other roll.
Kids, don't play with knives.
Good PSA, baby.
That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, I can't trust myself with anything but this. And that's what you get when you let your heart win.
Yep,
You forgot,
I did.
so I did it. Now let them sit for 45 minutes. While we're waiting, we're going to clean up. Heat the oven to 415. Now we're going to melt the butter. Cut the butter in half with a butter knife. We're going to melt the butter. Now we're going to put the butter onto the bread. Now bake it for 20 minutes. Be careful. Don't do this without your parents. The oven is hot. How do we do it? Like that. Here. Now we wait. All done. It's time to put it out. You can put more butter if you want, but it's ready. Don't forget to sale. Bye. I hope you had fun cooking with Caroline. I hope you enjoyed watching me cook bread with my daddy. Bye. Two and a half. I can't do it.
Try it again. 2.5 teaspoons of sugar.
While that's foaming, put the flour and the salt in the bowl. I can't get the bowl.
Put the salt. Alright, we'll try it again. Yeah, just add the salt into there next. No, wait. Next time you say it. Okay? Say it one more time and then add it. Okay, here we go.
I like playing in it. That means mix it. I like playing in it. That's what we're supposed to do.
Exactly what you want to do. Good. Very good.
I do not like it. It feels like slimy bird poop.
Alright, go.
Oh boy. It's turning into bird poop. I bet Mom would not fun doing this slimy bird poop. Ah, I got it. It's on my pet. Oopsie.
What?
It's itchy.
Your pit?
Yeah, like under a little bit, like everywhere near the pit.
Like that?
A little that way.
Like this?
Yeah.
Is that better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm like, why does it do it on the other side? It's on the other
You
side.
faker.
I'm not faker.
Alright.
Heat the oven for 450 degrees.
Alright, now say it without laughing.
I can't do it.
Heat the oven to 415. Alright, say heat the oven to 415. Let's just say that. That's easy. Look right here.
Heat the oven. Heat the oven to 400 degrees. He was right today. Leland, you're not in the video, are you? I'm in the middle of cooking. I don't know if I can do it. I can't do it.
Okay, well, put it back in. Where'd it go?
No. Wait, what?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you like them, click here to subscribe. And bye.